Emmanuel Sewabana, and I'm coming from Rwanda. I'm working with Esperance Kigali. Yes, we are also the host of a football forum center, and ours will be called Kimisagara Football Forum Center.
I'm called Nsidiayo Jean Paul. I'm coming from Rwanda, in Kigali city. I'm working for Esperance organization, and I'm in charge of administrative assistance. So, as you know, Esperance also will host the center, which will be called Kimisagara Football Center, which will be located in the Kigali city, near from the Kimisagara Youth Center.
Hi, this is the Lesotho Football for Hope update on March 28, 2011. As you can see in the background, the contractor is about to put the window frames into the building. The interior has advanced pretty far. The plaster is completely done, the plumbing is done, all the interior walls are in. And yeah, now the current contractor is working on the apron, the external pergola and other external works.
We are here in Lesotho, and we are with Keep for Life. So the purpose of our visit was basically the exchange, because during the World Cup 2010 we've been together and discuss. So we come up with an idea to exchange, because we are working both with street kids. We are dealing with overseas, those orphans, unprivileged girls. So we have, our activities have different similarities, because the situation seems to be the same for the kids. So we are here to see how they plan to use the center so that they can upgrade and improve their work with the kids. So I think I'm really surprised to see how far they are with their center, because for us at Kimisagara we are still negotiating for like VAT issues so that you can start. I think the center will be, as we used to say, the hub for the region or the country, so that everyone can enjoy and can come in, so that he can have fun with others and discuss with others.
Yeah, as he came to say, as you know, Esperance is used football, not only football, like all sports as a tool. So, and also it's the same for Kick for Life. It uses the sports for like a tool to sensitize for HIV prevention and the other. So our visit is really very important, because it is a time to exchange the ideas for different program moves, which can help us, Esperance and Kick for Life, to improve their informal education. I can call it informal education, because we are just using the sports as a tool. This time also it's a good opportunity, because for us, if you are just coming in Lesotho, it's a time to exchange the culture, how they are doing. And as you know, in Rwanda also we are just fighting for HIV, because HIV infection is really bad for all population also. And you have been surprised to hear about Lesotho, because the rate is very high. So it's better to combine our methodologies of football amaro and like fit for work, and also other methodology of Kick for Life, so that we can put our efforts together hand in hand, so that we can fight against the HIV infection, so HIV AIDS. And we hope so that our exchange between us, Kick for Life and Esperance, will go on, not only for both organizations, but for other organizations which will host the Center for Football for Hope.
Nice.